It's Jai here from Beyonwiz.com.au. In this video we're going to show you how to back up and restore your settings on your Beyonwiz T3. Now sometimes you'll have to factory reset due to various reasons if you install new firmware or you have a bad plug-in that causes crashing or something. Problem always being with restoring factory settings is that you lose all your settings and you've got to go back in and set up your favorites and your timers and all that stuff again. Bit of a pain in the butt. So the T3 has a great setting where you can actually back up these settings and restore them once you've reset the factory settings. So first of all, I might just show you actually that that's what I've got in my favorites, so we can test it after I've done it. So I've only got 3 channels in there at this stage, and timers also. Set up some auto timers in a previous video, so we've got timers there that are sitting there as well. So to back up those settings, first of all we need to go into the menu and then across into the setup menu. Then we want to scroll all the way down to software manager, or you can just press the up arrow to skip to the bottom, and then over to backup settings, and then we want to press OK. That'll automatically back up your settings, and it just says it's been done, so it's rather quick, and that's all done. So to demonstrate that how to restore them, I'm going to actually reset the factory settings now, and what I'll do is when this goes through, I'll pause the video and come back when this fires back up again. So I'll hit the pause now, as this takes probably about a minute and a half to get back to the boot up. Rather than bore you with my voice, I'll pause it and come back in a minute. Okay, back again. So it's just reboot, and the first thing you're going to see when your T3 reboots is this option here. The option is to continue with your initial setup, which will go back to the factory settings and how you initially set up your T3, or you can restore the settings now. So this should restore to what we actually backed up just before. So it gives you an option there to agree and continue with this restore. Once you press OK, they're the files it's going to load from the backup folder, and that will restore. I'm just going to pause again now because it'll do a reboot again. Okay, so back again, we're just in the final stages, hopefully, of the boot up, and this should launch us into live TV any second. And here we go. So there we go. We're back in live TV, and we'll just go in and check that all those settings have been restored. Excuse me. So if we go to favorites, you'll see that my favorites there have restored to what they were before, and also the timers, and there you go. And you can even see that a timer that we had running now from auto timer has just clicked on and started recording again straight away, and all the timers are back in there. So that's how you back up and restore your settings.